This is the Book of Tarot. I wrote this, it's a workbook, and I wrote it last year. It's called The Book of Tarot, Exploring the Esoteric World of Divination and Tarot Readings. This is the hardcover. I love this book. It's great for beginners. It has all sorts of tidbits and information. It has cheat sheets, different tarot spreads. It has a logbook in the back for you to actually log and track your tarot readings. It comes in paperback, or not paper, yes, it does come in paperback, sorry. This is the paperback version. This is the hardcover version. They're both really beautiful glossy finishes. You can get it on Amazon under Rachel Nordahl, Book of Tarot. You can look it up. It's also, you can follow the link in my bio and it'll take you directly to it. And it comes in both types depending on what it is that you want. Some people like hardback and some people like paperback. It's just preference. I love the hardcover personally, but I use both of them. And yeah, if you're wanting to learn tarot and you're wanting to learn how to read tarot cards and the meanings of tarot cards reversed, upright, and learn a little bit about how to actually use tarot in your personal life and how to tap into your own intuition with it, it is a really great beginner's book. It's also a great book for teaching others. I use it for teaching, and I know lots of other psychics that actually use it with their students in order to track their readings and also to teach them about the different cards and different concepts. So yeah, check it out.